Mongameli Tshuma, out of Norway, he goes to the CTN fans.
Highlanders third goal. Look at the goalkeeper, caught in no man's land, and good composure by Tshuma. Send Nyawa down and scored for Genius Mangombe.
Now Kudamahashi, Mongameli Tshuma, cutting inside, going Mongameli Tshuma. Star player this one.
One to look out for. Benji enjoying it. He's enjoying it, taking a sip of water.
He's saying in his mind, oh boy, why are you reminding me of my glory?
Hunger to win, dominate opponents, yet at the same time entertain. They were on the warpath as early as the 8th minute. Boso were back testing at the most defense with find of the season. Mongameli Tshuma flashing past the innocent Zambezi only to be let down by his last touch that found no one. There's no doubt Highlanders dominated at the early stages of the match, showing fluid moves. They were well coordinated and should have been one up 14 minutes into the match. Benjamin Ojeguna turning his men, not all of it, and that the scoreline remained blank owes to their failure to finish off the chances. Ninja Ncube playing hold up to play. Maninja then laid back to troublesome Tshuma, whose magic saw him riddle his way past two defenders, only to be stopped dead on his tracks before pulling the trigger. 3 minutes shy of the break, Moz almost Ninja Ncube playing hold up to play. Maninja then laid back to troublesome Tshuma, whose magic saw him riddle his way past two defenders, only to be stopped dead on his tracks before pulling the trigger. 3 minutes shy of the break, Moz almost ends. Brighton Ncube picking up Tshuma to unleash a sizzling shot that flew inches wide of the Moz goal. Play switched to the Highlanders' end. Believe on a mazy runner, taking the Moz defense head on, working his way to come face to face with the keeper. His last touch betraying him, and with it had gone a glorious opportunity. Nil only to end. First half belonging to Highlanders though.
Akim Komo. Highlanders can go! Mongameli Tshuma, cool, calm, collected.
Tshuma giving Highlanders the goal here. Dynamo's goalkeeper, not sure what he tried to do there. Poor goalkeeping from Dynamo's Tatenda Makoni.
Mongameli Tshuma, out of Norway, he goes to the CTN fans, pumps them up there to pounce on it. Headed by Akim Komo, best of face,
Dynamo's
goes round
goalkeeper
against Colin Mjuru. Left grasping for straws, Colin Mjuru.
The composure by the youngster, I think, was great composure, and he's just struck the ball in the empty net. Tshuma, there we see him running to the Highlanders faithful. He knows what he has just done. He's just scored an important goal for Highlanders.
Oh boy, watch you. So Highlanders finding a little bit of comfort in just knocking the ball. Mongameli Tshuma going through the wings. And the first corner kick of the game. Mongameli Tshuma, composure in their...
Highlanders doing more to keep possession, just knocking the ball around with crisp passing and an advantage play.
Tuneva Rauji, now Mongameli Tshuma. Mongameli Tshuma, out of Norway, he goes to the CTN fans.